Today we are going to do the middle of the flower. What are we gonna need? We are gonna need paint. We are going to need this tool to mix the paint and our brush. The first step is to color the circle part over here using the same color. For that, we are going to use orange and white. And mix them. The mixture is going to be more or less like a salmon. So you color the middle. I painted everything orange over here, and I forgot that in the middle of the flower it's green. So on your paper, if you want to leave this space here, you can, because now I will need to let this dry before I paint the circle in the middle. While I wait for this part to dry, we are going to do the background. To color the background and to create this effect over here, we are going to mix blue and white, the same way that is over here. You don't really mix the colors, you just keep the colors on top of each other. I'm going to even put more white over there. And don't mix. You just dip your brush, and then you, in a circular way, you color around. Be careful with the edges, so you don't color your flower. Okay, now you are going to do all the way around. Now we are going to do the middle of the flower. The same way we did with the orange, we are going to do with the green. You are going to mix a little bit of green with white. This time you have to mix the two colors. So it's going to be, you're going to obtain a light green. And we are going to make a circle in the middle. How do we create this effect over here? We are gonna use, for this part, we are gonna use 4 colors. Now, you are going to get yellow, orange. It's important to clean your tool every time you get a new color, so then you don't mix the colors. Red and brown. Okay? You place the colors together, but you don't mix the colors. And now with a small brush, smaller than the other one, you are going to dip the brush in the paint and you are going to create little dots. So your dots, because you didn't mix the colors, your dots are going to have different colors. So you create this idea. Ideal photo.
Contrast, variety. Randomness.
So you create this idea of contrast and randomness. So it's like your flower is real. Oh, I did just one part of the flower. And now you're gonna create these little dots all around. When you finish all around, we are going to do the middle, the green part. For the green part, do you remember the light green that we created over here? Okay, now you are going to use this light green. You are going to add dark green and white. Okay, and don't mix the colors again. And with the same idea, the same technique, you're going to dip your brush in there and you're going to create the same effect that you created on the other side, all around. And when you finish this middle part, your flower is going to be looking like this. Now, when you finish, please take a picture and send it to me.